change the angle. It's working really well. Go look at my top speed videos if you want to see how it works. So it's pretty awesome. I'll put a link in the notes for this mount. It's I think $15 or $16 on Amazon. So check it out. Alright guys, today we're going to be unboxing my new handlebar mount. I do a lot of these top speed run videos. You probably noticed I haven't done any for a while. The handlebar mount I was using, I had a piece fall out of it, so I bought another one. I actually really like that handlebar mount. It worked really well. It's super cheap. If you type in on Amazon, handlebar mount for motorcycle or bicycle, this is the recommended Amazon's choice. It's the Roam Copilot, they call it. It's a universal bike mount for smartphones. I mean, I probably have what, 20 top speed run videos on bumpy roads, rough suspension, and never had an issue with it popping off. The issue I did have, I'll open this up in a second here. This is the old version here. There is a rubber piece here that clamps to the mount, and it fell out. So now I was a little concerned not having the rubber on both sides for the grip, and it slips on the handlebars a little bit. So ordered a new one. This is, I guess, the new and improved version. It says it doesn't work for sport bikes. I don't know why. Maybe they go too fast. The plan, though, is to be using it on that dirt bike, that RM250. We'll be doing a top speed run on that soon. So definitely gonna need a good mount for that. All right, already dropping pieces. This is the thumb screw to tighten it. All right. So I'll show you real quick how this works. This one is actually a little beefier. If you look at the old one, this has a beefier bottom to it. So that's good, should hold on a little better. It looks like this is just a spare screw, so that's nice. So they're designed to work for different size handlebars. There's these 3 notches that you'll clip the other side into here. So you can see on the first setting, it doesn't open very far. So if you have a really small, maybe like a kid's bike or something, that would work. But after that, you pop that out and you can clip it on like a lower one. That's probably more like the setting I'll use. If you have a really thick handlebar, you can put it down on that one and go for one like that and then tighten it up. But you want, I'm guessing it'll probably be somewhere in the middle, tighten it up. You do have to take the screw the whole way out to slip it over your handlebar. Get this out the rest of the way. Should have rolled a bike up here, I guess. Anyhow, once that's out, you slide it over your handlebar, tighten it. I'll show you how this attaches in a second here. See what else we got. Registered lifetime warranty. Got to register it. Oh, and I get 40% off my next purchase at Roam. That's cool. And 2 more of these, which is actually good. Okay, they're different sizes. So if you have like a really big phone, you can use like a bigger one. So the way this works, this part will grab the sides of your phone. Here we go. So this will slip in here. It grabs the sides. And then you take these and you stretch them over the corners. So that's what really holds your phone in, and it works really well against like the vibration. So you can see how it's just, it grabs, you know, it's like a spider web on the back, holds it really well. And then there's a swivel mount on the back here, so you can adjust the angle. I guess I should have explained. I always mount my phone on my handlebars, and I have a speedometer app I use, and that's how I track my speed on my top speed run videos. But you have to tighten this real good. That way when it's shaking around, it doesn't try to wiggle, change the angle. It's working really well. So I'm gonna get it mounted on the handlebar here. This one I like. It says so it fits 7/8 inch to 1.25 inch diameter. I bet you could get it to fit a little bit bigger range than that. It just seems like with the notches on it, definitely could go bigger range, but I guess that's probably ideal. But I do like this, that they send, there's 2 different screws, so you can go for a big old handlebar with the big screw and the different size rubbers. I'm gonna wheel my dirt bike up here while I mount it for you. See what it looks like. And yes, my garage is a mess. So I apologize for that. Whoa! Alright. There we go. Using that sooner or less. Alright. Thank you for waiting. So, I'm guessing by looking at this, grab the camera here, we're gonna want to mount it like, probably like right here. Well, let's see. You need this width of the flat spot to actually like fit. Okay, that will fit there. But if you're running, you don't want to run up on the curve of the handlebar there, so. All right, so you're going to pick, you know, medium, small, medium, large, whichever size handlebar you're doing. I'll try the medium first. And then get your screw ready. Slip it over your handlebar. There is actually no directions in there, but I guess because it's supposed to be pretty straightforward. I guess these are the big handlebars. I gotta do the big one. So I'm using the third clip there. Make sure my rubber pieces stay where they're supposed to. And then you thread your screw up from the bottom. So, and then you just turn it. These screws always seem like they take forever. There's so many threads on them and they're fine threaded. You know what? I don't even know if this bike will run anymore. I haven't started it for like a year. I don't have anywhere to ride around here. It's pretty quick. And I live in town here. So every time I take it out, the neighbors always come out and, you know, when I see them popping out their doors, what's that racket, you know? So, all right. This part, I guess I'll have to do one-handed. So, this rubber piece just swivels here, so does this. Okay, so we're gonna normally I want this on the side to side, and then this is also off center. So if you want your phone a little bit more towards the top, then you put the longer side up. I think that's normally how I do it. So put your phone in, and there's my beautiful wife. All right, then you're gonna stretch corner over. This is sort of like putting the fitted sheet on your bed, if you've ever done that. All right, stretch your four corners over. You can see how easily it's moving around right now. There's a nut on the back here you have to tighten. Once that's tight, there you go. So that's real solid. And then, you know, while I'm riding, I can look down, check my speed. So, honestly, I haven't ridden this thing for so long. Seems like it's leaking a little oil over there, but yeah, I'll try to start it here. Let's check the oil quick. If that's all you came for, you can leave, because I'm just gonna try to start this bike now. Oh, whatever. It's probably good. It probably still has oil, right? There's lots of oil in there. I just ran, I have a little Honda XR50. I almost did a video on it. I was riding out in the woods. Must have hit some rocks or something and busted the drain plug out of it. And it, I didn't realize I kept riding it, came back, parked it. My son came, rode it for another half an hour. We saw there was a couple drips of oil on the garage floor. Rode it for half an hour and then locked up. Got it back from the mountains, put oil in it, was able to kick it, get it free, and then started kicking normally. And then ever since then it's been running fine, so no issue. Hondas, man, don't even need oil. Maybe not a year, half a year. I haven't started it. Started first kick. That's awesome. All right, anyhow, phone mount works. Click the link, use my link, that helps me out, and hopefully this video helped you out. So, thanks guys.